Ever wondered if your current diet is the best fit for you? Have you considered switching things up with the Mediterranean diet? This diet, rich in history and flavor, hails from the sun-kissed regions of the Mediterranean, tracing its roots back to the 1960s. At the heart of the Mediterranean diet are its main components: a high intake of fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, seeds, and cereals, all bathed in the golden glow of olive oil. Fish and dairy products make a moderate appearance, while meat is a rare guest. But what truly sets this diet apart is its unique feature of pairing meals with physical activity. Imagine a diet where a post-dinner stroll is as important as the dinner itself. And let's not forget the emphasis on enjoying meals with loved ones, because at the end of the day, the Mediterranean diet isn't just about food. It's a lifestyle that promotes physical activity and socializing over meals. Now that's a diet worth considering, don't you think? Want to know more about the Mediterranean diet? Subscribe to our channel for future videos packed with delicious details and tips on embracing this lifestyle. So, what makes the Mediterranean diet stand out from the rest? Well, it's all about the health benefits. Imagine reducing your risk of depression by 30% just by eating right. That's right, the Mediterranean diet is rich in antioxidants, which are known to combat depression. Now compare that to a diet filled with overprocessed food, which can actually increase your risk of depression by the same margin. But it doesn't stop there. The pre-dimed clinical study further revealed that the Mediterranean diet could reduce the risk of heart and circulatory diseases by a whopping 30%. Isn't that amazing? Now let's talk about what a Mediterranean diet menu might look like. Picture this: a plate of grilled fish with a side of fresh veggies, a drizzle of olive oil, a slice of whole grain bread, and a handful of nuts for dessert. The Mediterranean diet is not just about eating right, it's about living right. It's about making choices that not only nourish your body but also your mind and soul. So are you ready to make the switch?